The following segment is sponsored by Abernathy Roofing and Construction.
With spring here, there's a good chance you're already thinking about home improvement. And well, luckily for us, we are with the four states' finest roofing company and remodeling company. That, of course, is Abernathy Construction. And here with me to talk is the owner, John Abernathy. Hi, John.
Hello.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So, the viewers have definitely spoken to be able to win 2 awards, one of which roofing company, your second year in a row. I guess you guys must be doing something right.
Yeah, we have really developed a lot of culture in our company over the last few years. Roofing is a big part of who we are. With our status with Owens Corning, we are in the top 1% of roofing contractors nationwide with that status alone. I feel like we bring great service to the table. Something we brought on board for this year is solar. We've actually brought in a solar expert that's become part of our team, and we're going to be teaching people how solar and roofing go together very, very well this season.
So roofing, remodeling, solar, It sounds like you dabble in quite a bit of stuff, but is there anything specific for our viewers who are watching this that they should know about you as a company?
I just think we bring a lot of customer knowledge to the table. We're really big about educating consumers. You'll find when you meet with one of our reps, we spend most of the time educating you on what's best for you and let you make a decision based off of that.
Okay. And with storm season approaching, obviously who knows what may be in store for a lot of people.
Sure.
But you guys work with insurance companies and handle all that stuff if there's any storm damage, correct?
Absolutely. Yeah, we spend a lot of time helping out with the insurance process and just part of who we are.
Awesome. John, again, congratulations. 2 awards in our 4 states' finest. Make sure you give them a call or check out their website. Thank you, John.
The preceding segment was sponsored by Abernathy Roofing and Construction.